once again.
Xiaomi on today launched another smartphone with 10 GB of RAM. The latest offering from the company is Mi Mix 3, third-generation bezel-less phone that has an impressive 93.4% screen-to-body ratio. The new Xiaomi phones achieve such high aspect ratio without using a notch on the screen. Instead, it uses a sliding camera panel for taking selfies, similar to Oppo Find X. Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 has a large Full HD plus 6.39-inch AMOLED display with a 93.4% screen-to-body ratio. It runs on Qualcomm's top-end Snapdragon 845 processor with 10 GB of RAM. Mi Mix 3 is now the second phone in the world to sport 10 GB of RAM after Xiaomi's own Black Shark Hello gaming smartphone. The top-end variant of smartphone comes with 256 GB of built-in storage. In the camera department, Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 ups the ante by using dual camera setup on both and front. At the rear, it houses 12-megapixel and 12-megapixel with Sony IMX363 sensor and f/1.8 and f/2.4 aperture respectively. On the front it has a 24-megapixel and 2-megapixel dual camera. Who else can't wait for the next addition to the Mi Mix family and its brand new steady handheld night photography? Mi Mix 3 pic.twitter.com web link. Mi, at Xiaomi, October 24, 2018. The company claims that the Mi Mix 3 has 103 rating on the popular DxOMark camera benchmark. It is worth noting that Samsung's new flagship phone Galaxy Note 9 also has 103 rating. The smartphone is also capable of recording ultra-slow motion videos at 960 frames per second. Xiaomi Mi Mix 3, price. The smartphone is available in 3 variants: -6 GB plus 128 GB, 8 GB plus 128 GB, and 10 GB plus 256 GB. The 3 models are priced at 3,299 yuan, Rs 34,700 approximately, 3,599 yuan, Rs 37,900 approximately, and 3,999 yuan, Rs 42,100 approximately, respectively.